Good afternoon. Hopefully everyone enjoyed their snow day yesterday. Today is Thursday, February 8th. One very important reminder, remember you do have 10 days to complete your blizzard bags and get those submitted. But since the blizzard bags have to deal with what we are currently doing, you may have a quiz or a test in the next 10 days. So please do not procrastinate that. In math, a units retake is tomorrow. Today we are finishing up the Module 7 quiz from Tuesday. All right. Science, the only thing you've got to worry about is your blizzard bag. You cannot use a homework pass on that or on any of the other blizzard bags. Social studies, we need to do the India Review Parts 1 and 2. Language arts, we've got our journal and 3 notes from Chapter 4 of The Watsons Go to Birmingham. And then, remember, tomorrow half of the AR points are due for the quarter. You also have your blizzard bag to work on. And then you have vocab cards that you need to write the word on the back of the definition, cut them out, put them in a baggie, and those are due on Monday. That's it for today. Make it a good one.